This 2008 Mustang, and this is the coupe, so it's not a GT. It's saying they have water leaking, and I can smell the cooling a little bit, but I don't know where it's coming from. So I will check to see where's the leak coming from. So I have to check the car. You can see water right there and right here, and also mark right there, and the water being dripped and hit splash over right here. So the gasket is nothing wrong with the gasket right there, but I can see under the pulley right there, there's a water mark right there. Okay, so I would say this is more likely like a water pump. This side, there's a water mark under the pulley. So don't know exactly where water dripped from. So I'm going to take out the pulley, water pump pulley right there, and try to see if the water coming from right there. Okay, I'm going to removing this. Okay, now it's all loose. So I'm going to release the serpentine belt. Okay. It looked like water leaking from that hole right here. This hole, and you can see water mark. So that's the only water plate that you can come out from water. So that's the water pump. I'm going to detach the bottom hoses. Okay. Okay, leave it right there. Alright, all the hose disconnected. So time to removing this 8mm bolt. Two more down here. This one's behind the power steering. Okay. And that's it. I'm tapping with the mallet. Water pump. All right. Yeah. See, water is leaking through that hole right here. That's where you can't see it.
I hate this gasket here. They're not reliable, and then it's hard to take them out. Okay, put some silicone, and then put a gasket on it. We need to put it back in the car. Okay, so I'm gonna put this side too, and I'm gonna put in the car, but I'm gonna put right here this side, so which is the same. Put a thin layer on it. When you put the gasket on it, water pump on it, make sure the gasket doesn't slide out. You know, that's very important. If the gasket slide out, then you're in trouble because the gasket is not sealed in there. Alright, the last one will be this right here. Okay, that's all for the water pump. I'm going to replace the thermostat as well. I hate plastic. Sometimes it's crap. Okay, that's the thermostat. Ooh, see that? That is broken already. Didn't know that. Didn't know that until I saw something down here and I stick out that. What the hell is that coming from? It popped out like that. That's bad already. Good thing they bought a new one. Alright, put the new ones in. Okay. Okay. This belt is, forgot how it go, but to the top here, to that right there, going right here. Okay, that's is done. It's complete now. Just only filled up the wall, the intercoolant, and putting these pipes on. All right, let's fire it up to see any leak. It doesn't seem any leaking right now, but we'll check later in a couple hours. Okay, and thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye now.